भुने प्याज का पुलाव. So we will prepare it together, and first I will show you the ingredients. But before showing the ingredients, couple of things you should know about rice. Rice can be prepared by two methods: absorption and drainage. In drainage, what we do is we take 1:5 ratio, means 1 of rice, 5 parts of water. In some cases it might be more. So lot of water is boiled, rice is put, and once the rice cooks, the water is drained. That's why the word drainage. Next is absorption, where the rice absorbs the liquid. So absorption method. We are going to prepare it by absorption method. Bhune pyaz ka pulao we are going to do, and first steps we will saute, and then we will put by absorption, covered with the lid. 10 to 15 minutes it will cook. Once the water starts boiling, we will cover with the lid and put on sim 10 minutes. Rice has to be soaked prior, half an hour, 1 hour, 2 hour, whichever way you want to go ahead. But minimum half an hour basmati has to be soaked, right? So first what we'll do, we will take kadhai, we will add ghee, let ghee melt, we will add bay leaf, and we'll add black cardamom. After this we'll saute our onions till light brown. We'll add rice. Rice has to be soaked, as I said, and drained. Do not throw the water which is drained. We are going to use that water. So 2:1 ratio, 1 part of rice, 2 parts of water is what we are going to take. So let's have a look at the ingredients first. So first, as I said, we'll put ghee, then we will add bay leaf, black cardamom, then we will saute the onions. After the onions have sauteed, we will add drained and soaked rice. Here is the water which is drained. Drained and soaked rice, and then the water. 2 times the water is already measured. Now you will see some greens kept here. What are these? This is chopped coriander, chopped mint, and for the garnish later we'll put browned onion. Here, browned onion, crispy browned onion. Now we will start preparing. The first thing that we will now add is ghee. We'll let the ghee melt. It has to be on a high flame. So let the ghee melt. Bay leaf, black cardamom. We will light it. Let the ghee take the aroma and flavor. Now in this we can also add cumin seeds to get the nice cumin flavor. Do not put on a high flame if you are adding cumin, because cumin will burn really fast. Once cumin is light brown in color, we'll add onions. I've cut the onions a little thick because when you are eating the onions, especially for this pulao, it should come in the mouth, not just melt away. There might be different interpretations of different chefs, but this is how we are preparing it today. Okay. It has to be on a high flame now. When you have added cumin, it has to be low flame, because earlier the flame on high when we were putting bay leaf and cardamom. The onions are turning pink now, and after that they will turn lightly brown. We'll let the onions brown, because what we are preparing is bhune pyaz ka pulao. So what we will do, bhunao. Bhunao is a technique of cooking. If you're preparing mutton and other preparations, you bhuno the meat, so that what happens, because of the natural sugars present, the sugars are going to caramelize, which will give the nice nutty brown color and the flavor. The turning of the meat is brown the term is Maillard reaction. M-A-I-L-L-A-R-D, Maillard reaction. Okay. Now the onions are lightly becoming brown. After this, we will lightly toast or fry our rice also. That's why the rice is already drained, so that the water is not there. Now I'm going to turn the flame a little low. Onion has become light brown. I don't want burnt onion. Now I will add rice. Now I will increase the flame. But I will not turn the rice very often. राइस टुकड़ा टुकड़ा नहीं करना है हमको, राइस को खिला खिला रखना है और पूरा रखना है. तो इसका थोड़ा सा पानी जो ड्रेन था वो नीचे रह गया था. सो वी आर गोइंग टू फर्स्ट इवेपोरेट दैट एंड देन टोस्ट द राइस. राइस को कभी भी ज़्यादा नहीं छेड़ा जाता. whenever it is cooking, minimum you have to stir or saute, and that also very gently. We will lightly toast the rice grains without stirring it too much. In this, now we are adding mint and coriander leaves which were chopped. Now we will add 2 times the water. Give it a light stir. Otherwise the rice normally sticks at the bottom. We don't want lumps of rice, we want nice, flavorful and fragrant preparation. खिला खिला rice एकदम आना चाहिए. Now we will put salt, a little bit of cumin powder, and little bit of coriander powder. If you like it spicy, you can put chili powder. Gently stir the rice, just one swirl. Now I'm waiting for the rice to boil. Now I'm going to cover it. Once the boil has come, I will simmer it. On simmer, I will put for 10 minutes. Once it has simmered for 10 minutes, the rice will be ready. Do not immediately scoop out the rice once it is ready. Otherwise, you will not get the nice, खिला जो कहते हैं हम राइस को, वो नहीं आएगा. If you immediately try to take out the rice, you have to rest the rice so that the carbohydrates and the starch which has come out, it gets relaxed. Okay. Now, as you can see, the water has started lightly to boil. We will not touch the rice now. राइस जब पक रहा है हम उसको नहीं छेड़ेंगे बीच में, वो ऐसे ही पकता रहेगा जब तक कि फिनिश नहीं होगा. अब हम राइस के अंदर कोई स्पून या फोक या लेड कुछ नहीं डालेंगे. अब वो पके 10 मिनट में आपका पुलाव रेडी हो जाएगा. उसके बाद हम गार्निश करेंगे. थोड़ा सा मैंने बचा के रखा है कोरिएंडर लीव्स, मिंट लीव्स एंड ब्राउन अनियन. अब ब्राउन अनियन कैसे बनाते हैं वो मैं बता दूं आपको. अनियन को सबसे पहले आप वेरी फाइन स्लाइस करिए, वेरी फाइन स्लाइस. थोड़ा सा नमक डाल के उसको 15 से 20 मिनट छोड़ दीजिए. पानी छोड़ेगा. नैपकिन, उसको निचोड़ना नहीं है, नैपकिन में उसको डैब करके अपना अलग से कढ़ाई रेडी कर लीजिए. तेल ज़्यादा गर्म नहीं होना चाहिए और ज़्यादा ठंडा भी नहीं होना चाहिए. फिर धीरे धीरे करके उसमें फ्राई कर दीजिए. टिश्यू से क्या होगा, एक्स्ट्रा जो मॉइस्चर है वो सोक हो जाएगा. देखिए पानी बॉईल हो रहा है अपना ऑलरेडी. अब हम इसके लिड को भी नहीं खोलेंगे, आपको दिखाने के लिए मैं खोल रहा हूँ सिर्फ. वी विल नाउ कवर इट एंड लेट इट कुक ऑन सिमर. मैं गैस भी कम कर दूंगा. देखिए फ्लेम भी मैंने एकदम मिनिमम कर दिए. 10 मिनट तक ये अब पकता रहेगा. Now our rice is cooked. What we'll do now is let's open it. Now after the rice is cooked, I have left it untouched for another 15 minutes. Okay, 10 to 15 minutes for the rice to rest. Now let's have a look. Nice aroma. Okay. Now you see it's lifted carefully and just see how it is. Now we will finish the garnishing. Mint leaves, coriander chopped and brown onions. This is your भुने प्याज का पुलाव.